Hey guys, today we're going to be fitting a new non-return valve on our lazy spa. So quite a common problem with these is the air pipe. The non-return valve that gets fitted perishes quite easily, which causes a leak. So as you can see, this one is dripping quite consistently. No matter how tight you tighten the connection, it's the valve inside itself that's gone. So a guy on eBay sells these, so you don't have to take the original one out, you don't have to empty your pool, you just unscrew it, pop the valve in, rescrew it, and that sort of seals it in place and stops the water leaking out. So we're going to try that, we're going to give that a go and see what the results are. Right, so we shut off the power, and what we have to do is unscrew this. It's going to let a little bit of air and a bit of water out. As you can see, this valve's leaking quite badly. We'll get that connections away. So we take this, we put it in with the holes facing towards the egg. Push that in place. And then re-screw it back on. Now we've got it screwed on. Screw it in tight, which forms the seal inside the actual air pipe. There we go. So now, no more drips. So let's turn it on and see how it works. So we've turned it back on. Let's test out the bubbles. Perfect. As you can see, no more leaks, no more air escaping, no more water escaping. So that's it guys. If you found that video useful, drop me a like, let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions about it, and I'll put a link to the eBay store that sells these replacement valves in the description below. Cheers for watching.